Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the maiden run of the Kyosho FR Blizzard Snowcat. I was going to wait and do this during the day, but I thought, nah, can't wait. Got to do it now. We will have more daytime footage though, don't you worry. And some mods coming. This is a little different control for me to try and use. Okay, this way. Yeah, a little different. Okay, I'm a noob here. There we go, that goes there. Quite peppy. One thing you'll notice about this is the blade will always recenter at this height when you let go of the stick. And you got to hold it up if you want it up. Okay, so stick to the left, hold it right up. When you push all the way down, watch the truck and you'll see that it actually will lift the front end up a bit. So it can really dig that blade in. So we're going to stop the video here. We're going to go down in the main driveway and push some actual real snow. Well, we're going to try anyways and see what happens. So instant for you. Be right back. Pretty packed down now because we snowboarded today, so I expected this to happen with a little bit of a struggle. fast. That's what's jamming me up. Let's go down near the end of the driveway. Probably have some better luck down there. Different to drive than the toy grade piston pulley, because that one I just push a button, it goes up, push a button, it goes down to the blade, and then you get better control. This is like doing two things at once. Well, let's try a speed run with it. Let's see how fast this thing goes. Rough guess, about 5 miles an hour. That's about it for now until we get some actual fresh powdery snow, which I think will work a little bit better. Also, I'm going to be upgrading to metal tracks anyhow, which I think will dig down better in this stuff. Plastic tracks are good though, they are really good, but it takes a certain kind of grip, I guess, for them with the snow. But this is stuff, it's getting pretty hard now and cold, so, you know, like I said, we just snowblowed this today, so a bit of a challenge, but challenge driving it too. Not as easy as I thought it would be. Like I said, I was used to the piston bully, and you just pushed a button, dropped the blade, pushed it again, the blade went up. So the rest of it was just controlling your steering, which was so simple to do. This thing is way different when you're talking full hobby grade stuff. It's a little different steering setup and running that blade up and down at the same time. It's weird. Something to get used to, but I'm sure just about anybody could. We'll be back, of course, with more videos, and I've got some stuff here that I'm going to immediately be able to modify into this thing, and I'll be working on that over the next day or two, and definitely look forward to a lot more videos this winter, and look forward to a video with both the piston bully and the Blizzard going head-to-head doing a cleanup job, probably on our back deck, and or even out here. You know, we'll see what happens. So catch you on the next one, guys.